Mel plans to fence his yard for his new puppy. The yard is a 28-foot by 56-foot rectangle, and fencing costs $11 per 10-foot section. What is the cost of the fencing that you must purchase? Okay, so let's start off by visualizing the problem. So let's draw a nice simple rectangle here, represent the yard, and we're given that the yard is a rectangle. Okay, so rectangle, and it's 28 feet on one side, 28 feet on one side, and 56 feet on the other. So 56 and 56. Now, we're talking about fencing, right? So fencing goes around the outside. So there's going to be some fence along this side. There's going to be some fence over here, some fence here, and some fence here. And since fence goes around the outside, we're talking about perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is the distance around. So we have 4 sides to the yard, but what's the total distance around? Okay, so we've got a 56 plus a 56 plus a 28 plus a 28. Okay, so total, and we could pull up the nice handy graphing calculator. Okay, so let's say 56, 28, and 28. Okay, so that's a total of 168 feet needed. Okay, so we need 168 feet of fence to go around the yard. Now, we don't buy 1 foot at a time. We buy it in these 10-foot sections. So how many sections do we need? Well, how many 10s do we need? All right, so we could take the 168 feet and divide this by 10. Okay, so if we divide 168 by 10, we get 16.8. So, okay, so there's 16.8 of these 10-foot sections needed. Okay, so we need to buy 16.8 of them. We can't buy 16.8. 16 of them won't be enough, so we'll need to buy, so let's say we'll switch to green, must buy 17 pieces. There'll be a little extra fencing left over, but that doesn't matter because there's nothing we could do about it. We could only buy 10 feet at a time. Okay, so we must buy 17 of them, and they cost $11 a piece. Okay, so 17 pieces, and we're going to multiply that by 11 bucks because each one is 11. So we have to spend $11 17 times. Okay, so 17 times 11, that should be $187. This will be the cost of the fencing.